everyone. Good evening. I am Gaurav, and today I am the host on the topic of should the coaching centers will there or not. So I want to collect some golden opinions from you all. Uh, First of all, I want to ask from you: should uh, should coaching centers center will there or not? What do you think on it?
I think there should be coaching center, tuition center because they are the only thing that from where we can learn more things. Like in school, we learn things, but apart from that, we study in tuitions or coaching. Like we all are coming here to learn English, so it is a coaching center. We are not studying in school, so I think coaching center are also necessary in our daily life.
But do you not think that it will be also not affordable for someone?
Yes, it might be not affordable for so many, but if we want to learn something, we also have to pay that. But we are not learning this skill in the school, like the art of public speaking, competitions, debate. We are not having these things, but we can only have these things in coaching center, tuition, because we pay separately for that and they teach us separately. That's why we learn more things.
I like your opinion very much. Now, you, now I want to ask from you. So,
Okay, you can take the opinion of those who have not spoken yet. Suppose this boy has not spoken yet, so take his opinion. What does he want to say? The yellow one. The yellow one. Okay. Have you understood the topic, sir? Have you understood? Okay, give the
do you
mic.
think that should coaching centers will be there or not? Because also it will be it will be not affordable for someone, and also the online coaching centers are also increasing day by day. So, what do you think on it?
I think online coaching center will be better because they are affordable from the offline. But there are disadvantages of the offline, online also, because students get distracted in the online coaching center. Offline are also better.
Don't worry. Uh, what do you think about his opinion? Because he is saying that online coaching centers are distracting the boys or students.
Yes, online coachings are distracting boys and girls, and the offline coaching are more better than the online. But online coaching are affordable for from these offline coachings. And if the topic is come the student sorry tuition center is there or not, I think tuition center is there because the student who go in the tuition or is weak student can go in the tuition and learn more by the in school the teacher are teaching 40 students 50 students, and they are not focusing each of the students, but in the coaching a teacher specifically teach a student, there a student get more and his concept will clear more. That's why I have said that the tuition center is there.
But also in the school, some teachers ignores the student who are bad in the study. So uh, the coaching teachers, it will be also a possibility that the coaching teachers will also ignore the students who are not able to understand. So what do you think about it?
In the coaching if the personal coaching only one or two student, teacher will not ignore the student because he is getting the money from his also, and only he is giving the money, the student utilize it, and if the student want to learn, the teacher will also give, A student in tuition, the student are not clear his concept and weak in the class, tuition classes is for them.
Thank you for giving your golden opinion. Now, what do you think about it?
I think if in a education policy that skills and knowledge are provided for to the student, that is completable for that to know how to use and how to learn it, and it is not necessary to go for the institute. When you not provided in in a schools and or an institute or in a college, students do not learn anything from the college and from school. Then he goes to the an institute to learn the skills and communication skills. We think that institute is not an important part of for students. When education policy are provided that skills and knowledge of in your classroom of schools and colleges, student are not goes to an institute.
But also the schools can provide the extra classes for students or for all of them. So what do you think?
Many students are provided extra classes, but in schools, various schools are mainly focused to cover the syllabus, not to giving the skills and how to use it. They only cover the theory theory part. They not cover the practical part. They do not inform to how to use in our life. That's why student goes an institute to learn that things. How can we use that kind of things and practical knowledge.
Okay. Now I'm going to wrap up the session, and thank you everyone for giving your golden opinion on that topic. So that's all.